Hi friends, when I saw these LEGO Crocs in the shop, I thought these are really cool, but they don't come in smaller sizes and my friend Max really wanted a pair. Max has been complaining about his shoes are too tight and he really wanted comfy Crocs. So I decided to build a pair of Crocs just for him. His current shoes are yellow and blue. I hope he likes red. Here you go, Max. Let's try them on. Are they going to fit? Looks like Crocs do actually fit. But can Max stand up in his Crocs? And just like that, the Crocs are actually perfect. I don't think he will ever wear his previous shoes. They are going to in the bin straight away. These were very well built, you know, they lasted a few years. They're actually perfect for long walks. Skid-proof, waterproof, but they're not as comfy as Crocs. These Crocs not only look comfortable, but they actually are comfortable. Max really loves them. Look at his happy face. Can you move your legs, Max? I can see you can. Max looks very happy in his new Crocs. I am pretty sure Max won't take these off ever. Look at them. They look just perfect red, like a watermelon red. Let's see if Max can walk in them. Come on, you can do it. Oh, Max is sliding. Sliding kinda counts, isn't it? It's similar to walking, so I'm saying he kinda is walking / sliding. I have something else for you, Max. I built you a yellow pair of Crocs as well. Just for variety, in case you're not very keen on red, here are yellow Crocs as well. Would you like to try these on? Let's take the red Crocs quickly off and pop the yellow ones back on. This is how I would be walking in them, going shopping. Oh, look at these. These fit as well, because they are the same size. Well, what do you think? Do you prefer red ones or yellow ones? I am actually torn. I like both. It is very difficult to decide. But if you can't decide between two colors, you can always wear one yellow and one red. But of course, Max isn't the only one who wants Crocs. Even this little guy needs a pair too. And of course, I made yellow pair too. Basically, everyone wants Crocs now, even myself. If you love Crocs and would like to build a pair for your minifigures, a quick step-by-step tutorial is next. I will be honest, it is extremely easy to build. The difficult part is finding red bricks. If you have enough red bricks, it's all good. The building part is actually super easy. I use a few 2x4s, 2x2s and 2x6 bricks, whichever you have in your collection. So 2 layers for the sole and 5 for the front. It looks a bit blocky at the moment, but it changes straight away once you add the round pieces. I also added a few dots just to make that little finishing touch. And just like that, the Croc is ready. You can make them in any color you like. I will be back soon with something new.